Morning guys, we're here at the lake house. Finally, we arrived here last night. Nakarating kami guys dito mga alauna na ng madaling araw kasi pag uwi ko kahapon galing sa work ko, nagnap ako. Ang haba ng tulog ko kasi nga sobrang pagod ko talaga. Anong oras na ako naka-clock out kahapon? Mga almost 5 ng hapon. So natulog ako kasi yung asawa ko tsaka yung anak ko nandun siya sa bahay nila Bianan kasi nag-renovate siya ng kitchen niya. So pinatulog muna ako ng asawa kasi sobrang pagod talaga ako. So siya yung nag-drive papunta dito kasi hindi ko talaga kaya guys, sobrang antok ko kahit nakatulog na ako. So anyway, sobrang lamig dito ngayon guys. Dito kami ngayon sa lake house. Sobrang sunny ngayon pero super lamig. Super lamig siya. So pag napansin nyo yung lake is super quiet kasi winter. Pero pag summer na yan, sobrang ingay na yan kasi maraming nagbo-boating. Then we're here! Ang favorite place ko, ang aming dining area. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Wala talagang yung dahon dito sa yung punong kahoy dito sa likod ng bahay. Ayan. Yan yung kapitbahay namin dyan. Dito, mga gamit namin. And look, my husband is very busy early in the morning. He's fixing the door.
Yeah.
It's cold, baby. You're not cold, my love.
No, it's not that cold actually. I didn't feel that cold at all.
So anyway, guys, if you see, we put back where it was our dryer than yung washing namin. So pag napansin nyo dati,
yeah, we decided to go back to this original design.
yeah, and then
And we're gonna put board here, and on here, and put a top down.
yeah, my
so
husband,
that way we'll have a place to put laundry and shelving.
yeah,
There's a lot of we're gonna talk about it. And we'll put doors here.
yes,
Hopefully put doors here. And I want to put doors and also the top part here, shelving.
yeah,
But maybe put a door, like the door opens right here. And maybe a place for shoes.
yeah. So if you see, guys, yeah, this part is not yet totally finished, but we're almost there. But we still have a lot of things to do. It's not really 100% the lake house is finished. So we're still working on it, but we have a comfortable place to stay here when we come up here. So
We got little things to do.
yeah, after 2 years, baby.
Yeah.
After 2 years.
So, it's too cold to go outside and do any work.
Yeah. But later I think I'll just do something like cleaning outside.
I don't know. It's not going to warm up much.
Yeah. Guys, nilagay nila yung plywood doon kasi yan yung gagawin ng asawa ko para sa shelf namin sa loob. Tinulungan siya ni Jazz.
Hello guys! Welcome to the lake house again.
Then our dog is there. Ringo boy will stay here. Oh my god, baby.
He's gonna jump for sure.
Oh wow, did you see that?
No.
He did it last time with Cricket. Look. Watch him. No jumping. No jumping.
We have sesame seed oil, right?
No. We have at home in Atlanta, but we don't have here in Lake House.
Okay, we'll get some sesame seed oil. What else do you need for a stir fry?
Vegetable.
We have frozen vegetables.
We do, yeah. Just wait. We have, yes, that's right. We have to buy onion.
Onion?
Yeah,
okay.
we have garlic there already.
What is this? A meat blocker.
guys sa Lowe's. We're looking for the screw.
It's 3-inch interior grade. Think of anything else we need, honey?
Ngayon guys sa China buffet. And it's all of them. Now my second plate. That's your second plate too, my love, right? This is just for first plate. Second plate, and then this is my second plate. Got a sushi. Is this wasabi? I need to try wasabi. It's very spicy. Third plate, sushi, macarons, fruits, and then that's a third plate too. This is my third plate, guys. So I'm having a sushi here, and macarons and fruits, and then we also have a sushi, soup, and I still have an egg drop soup. So this is wasabi, right? Babe?
I'm sorry?
Oh, this is really good. You have to try this, Jess.
That is not wasabi.
I know it's not. It's just like a seaweed, a fresh seaweed. Look, look. Tapos na kami guys kumain ng lunch. We're full.
I
over
only eat 2
plates.
plates.
Yung asawa ko tsaka ako, we had like 3 plates and additional one for the fruits, like equals of 4 plates. Oh my god, baby. I'm so full, my love.
Sports car over there.
Punta na kami ng Walmart. Next stop is Walmart. We'll buy fresh milk. What else? Onion. And then mattress cover. And let's see when we get there, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so full right now. Pampararam. Dito kami ngayon guys sa mattress aisle. Guys,
How are you gonna cook eggs, baby?
in the breakfast, my love.
Oh, I got those potato cakes.
Do you
Potato
have?
patties. Yeah,
Where did you bought some?
yeah,
In Walmart?
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Jasper, oh my god. Dito na ako ngayon sa bahay. Dito na kami. So, nakalimutan pala kanina inumin ni Habi yung medicine niya. Kaya, bigay na natin yung medicine niya ngayon. So, nagtitake siya ng extra medicine para sa daliri niya, guys. Kasi nga namaga dito. Tapos, pumunta kami ng urgent care. Tapos, tinanggal nila yung parang nana ba, guys. Kaya, may tinitake siya na antibiotic for 7 days. So, ibigay ko na ngayon sa kanya yung medicine niya. Bali, eto yung medicine kit niya. Pag napansin niyo, super dami. Yung eto na sun na sign, eto yung morning pill niya. So, count natin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 medicine yung i-take ni Habi ngayon. Bigay natin sa kanya. Medyo makalat pa yung aming living. Here, baby. So, here's the medicine, guys.
You got the
Yeah, antibiotic, this one.
Well,
Alright,
the weight
you
difference
got it.
affects various critical aspects of the carrying
So Habi is
performance.
taking like
A forced
13
additional
medicine
20,000
this
tons
morning.
means it sits lower in the water, which in turn is
Yan
good to go.
guys.
And the Fujian, this carrier
Naano
makes
ko na
you
yung
refuel
iba.
every few days to a week, severely limiting its
Nakuha ka
operational
sa
range
plastic
on that
bag.
readiness. This is especially disadvantageous in sustained conflict, where the ability to stay at sea and project power is vital. The Fujian's need to return to port for refueling every few days essentially makes it a sitting duck.
So na kapag ano na ako guys, lahat ng mga gamit doon nilabas ko na. Bumili pala si Jess ng short niya, dalawa. Then isang black na shirt. Bumili din ako nito para dito. Tapos baka yung iba dalhin ko doon sa bahay namin sa Atlanta. Then another rug para sa bathroom. Bumili ako ng towel guys. Green, my favorite color. 2 piraso. Eto. And what else? Yung iba nilagay ko na sa fridge. Bili ako guys ng table runner. Ayan. Tinanggal ko muna dito yung placemat. So, anyway, bumili ako nito guys kasi dito sa lake, yung lasa ng ng tubig nila dito parang iba, parang siya chlorine. So, meron kami na filter, yung parang ganito din siya pero filter siya, pinifilter niya yung tubig. So, kaunti lang yung niya guys, malagay doon. Kaya bumili ako nito. So, lahat ng na-filter ko na tubig, ilagay ko dito sa pitzel. Pitzel ba tawag dito sa Tagalog? Then, ito yung milk. Hindi pinalig niya sa ref. Ito guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, i-light filter siya. Ganito. So, yung lahat ng tubig na nilagay mo dito, parang hanggang dito lang ata siya. So, hindi siya enough para sa amin. Kailangan namin mag-antay ulit pag naglagay kami ng tubig. Kaya, bumili ako nito para yung lahat na na-filter ko na yung tubig na na-drain dito, lagay ko siya dito guys. And bumili din ako nito. So, yung the rest, lagay ko, iiwan ko dito, pero yung iba, dalhin ko sa bahay namin dun sa city. Then, bumili ako ng tinapay, yung maliit lang para sa breakfast namin. Bumili ako ng itlog, din hindi ko alam, bumili pala si Happy ng ano ba tawag dyan? Yung potato. Parang siya, potato tots, yan ba yung tawag nila dito sa US. Then avocado, para ilagay ko sa tinapay, parang avocado toast siya. And ano pa ba? Bumili ako nito guys, diffuser. Lagay ko dun sa taas ng fireplace namin. Buksan natin. Mabango siya. Yung orange, yung pinili ko.
Admiral Samuel Paparo commands the U.S. Pacific Fleet, whose 200 ships and 150,000 civilians make up 60% of the entire U.S. Navy. We met him last month on the aircraft carrier USS
Bali, ito yung stick.
deployed near the U.S. territory of Guam, southeast of Taiwan, and the People's Republic of China, or PRC.
Ganito siya
You've
guys.
been operating as a naval officer for 40 years. How has operating in the Western Pacific changed?
In the early 2000s, the PRC Navy
Tutulugan yung asawa.
mustered about 37 vessels. Today, they're mustering
Ang
350
bango niya.
vessels.
This month, China's new foreign minister, Qin Gang,
Tanggalin
delivered
natin
a
to guys.
stern warning to the U.S. He said that if Washington does not change course in its stance towards China, conflict and confrontation is inevitable. This past August, when then Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi became the most senior U.S. political figure to visit Taiwan in 25 years, China called it a blatant provocation. The People's Liberation Army fired ballistic missiles into the sea around Taiwan and encircled the island with aircraft and warships.
So are Chinese warships now operating
Oh gosh.
closer to Taiwan after Nancy Pelosi's visit?
Yes.
The best guess anyone has about
Oh,
China's
no.
ultimate intentions for Taiwan comes from the CIA. According to its intelligence assessment, China's President Xi Jinping has ordered the People's Liberation Army to be prepared to take back the island by force by 2027.
And if
So,
China
ito.
invades
Hugasan lang
Taiwan,
natin.
what will the US
after.
Navy do?
It's a decision of the President of the United States and a decision of the Congress. It's our duty to be ready for that. But the bulk of the United States Navy will be deployed rapidly to the Western Pacific
Ano
to
na?
come to the aid of Taiwan.
Diffuser.
If the order comes
Diffuser man?
to aid Taiwan, in
Pampaan,
thwarting
kamot,
that
kabalay.
invasion.
Is the US Navy ready?
Smells
We're
good.
ready, yes. I'll never admit to being ready.
Ito guys, hindi siya
President
masyadong
Biden has
matapang.
declared 4 times, including on 60 Minutes,
What ba?
that the U.S. military would defend Taiwan, which is a democracy and the world's leader in the Pacific. Guam was taken by Imperial
There you
Japan
go.
2 days after the attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941. U.S. Marines recaptured it 2.5 years later. And the
Ba?
island, about the size of Chicago,
Ano
became an
si?
indispensable strategic foothold in the Western
Ito na siya,
Pacific,
guys.
as it
Tantanan!
remains today.
Kailangan ko bumili nito ng isa pa.
Greyhound, the Cold War era transport plane
Meron
takes
din
people
kami
and
dun sa
supplies
bahay.
back and forth from land to the
Lagay ko siya
area.
dito.
It was a short flight to the ship and an even shorter landing. Haro rose to lead the Pacific
Tulog ka ni
Fleet.
isa.
He flew jets and graduated from the school
So, dyan ko
known
siya guys
as
nilagay
Top
din,
Gun.
look.
When you talk about
Moose
ships,
head.
what's the most powerful in the US Navy?
It's an
Yan
aircraft
naman yung
carrier.
camera.
Its air wing is
Makikita yan
capable
namin
of
kahit doon kami sa
150
bahay namin
strike or
kung ano
air-to-air
yung
sorties per
sitwasyon
day
dito sa lake
with,
house.
at its
I see.
So, eto guys yung purpose ng picture na to. Kasi pag napansin nyo, when I drain water here, it's until here. So, it's not enough. So, we have to wait again to make more and then we have to drink because the taste of the water here, it tastes like a chlorine baby, right? Did you notice that?
I
Yeah.
didn't notice that, no.
I really don't like it.
Wow.
But once that you will put it here, it's something filtered it. So yun yung reason guys kung bakit. Kasi tinanong ako ng asawa ko kanina. Sabi niya, bakit daw bumili ako nito? Sabi ko, pag dito kasi kami sa lake guys, walang filter yung refrigerator namin. Unlike dun sa bahay namin sa Atlanta, meron talagang filter yung ref namin dun. So, hindi na namin kailangan gumamit nito kasi meron ng filter yung water namin dun sa refrigerator. Straight na siya. Dito, yung ref namin is iba guys. Hindi siya katulad ng refrigerator namin sa Atlanta. So, pag makagawa ako nito, di na namin kailangan mag-antay ng ilang minutos para mag-inom na naman ng tubig. So, yan yung reason niya. Be careful, baby. Hello, everybody. Look, my Korean son there.
My face is red out.
Yeah. We're going to
blushing?
Goodwill.
Am I blushing?
No. We're going to Goodwill, guys. That's our favorite place to shop.
Yeah.
Goodwill.
Oh, so cheesy.
So cheesy. Dito kami ngayon, guys, sa Publix.
Subway?
I said Publix. And then look, it's very cheesy sandwich. Yes, and I got same sandwich, and then you got a turkey, right? Turkey. It's so good. Good morning. It's another day again. Ayan guys, Sunday dito ngayon. Kailangan ko na ayusin yung mga kalat dito sa room, sa sunroom namin kasi dito nilagay yung pintuan. Then si Habi kahapon, nilagay niya yung door doon sa laundry. At ang ganda na guys, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Tignan nyo guys, ang kalat. Doon kasi yan sa ilalim ng bed nilagay ko. Then, tingnan nyo guys, nakabili ako ng bulaklak dito sa sunroom. Fake lang siya kasi hindi naman kasi palagi kami dito. Baka kasi pag totoong plants talaga yung nilagay ko dyan, mamatay lang din kasi hindi naman kami as in everyday nandito sa lake house. So, pag napansin nyo, ang kalat dito kasi nga yung door na to nanggaling to dati sa cabinet sa closet dun sa room. So ngayon ang kalat, kailangan ko patupiin yan. So nilagay siya ni Habi dito guys. Kailangan namin pinturahan yan. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari dito, pero kailangan namin pinturahan siya ng puti guys. Ayan, ganyan lang siya guys. Open mo. Makalat pa siya dyan ngayon. Ayan. So, dati, pag napansin nyo, I don't know sa mga vlog, pag napansin nyo guys, yung etong washing machine, tsaka yung laundry, nandito yan, magkaano sila, isang side lang. Nilagay ni Habi yan sa taas. Then, ngayon, eto guys, bago to, nilagyan to dito ni Habi ng ganito. Sila ni Just gumawa nito kahapon. Then, pwede namin lagyan dito ng mga bagay-bagay. Like laundry basket, ganyan. Kasi guys, maliit lang yung space namin dito sa lake. So, pag napansin nyo guys, dito yung door namin. Maliit lang yung space. Ayan. Mga kalat pa yan dyan. Hindi pa na ano. Kailangan ko linisin. Pero kailangan ko muna check kay Habi kasi minsan yan hanapin niya kung saan ko nilagay. Yan guys. So ang dami, tupiin ko yan, kailangan ko tupiin. Then yan, kalat, kailangan ko tupiin din. Guys, meron pang ano si Jess sa Boy Scout niya mamaya. Jess, are you gonna bring this? Your bubble gum, look. This one. Wala na to. Mahilig siya mani. Did you bring the other stuff there already?
Yeah.
Lagay ko na lang to guys sa plastic bag.
Diyan kami mabutang.
Okay. Are you gonna give this to Doc?
Yeah.
Okay. Ano pa ba? Gulong-gulo na talaga yung buhok. Wait lang. Can you bring this to Jazz? Daddy's medicine, please.
Okay. Ma, do I need to bring this?
Where? No, leave it there.
How about this?
I'll go there. Just ask him.
Hey, Dad. Yeah. Do I need to bring this?
My love, are you gonna bring this or leave it here? Leave it here?
What is that?
Long sleeve.
We can leave it here.
Okay.
Did you wash it yet?
Yeah, I washed it.
New Year.
Okay.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome. Nagmamadali na kami, guys. Turn off ko lang yung, tingnan nyo, ang cute! Nabili din yan ni Hubby sa Goodwill. Eto ba yun? Yeah. So, sara lang natin yung curtain. Alam nyo guys, nagtataka ako bakit ang lamig kanina. Kasi yung aming heater dyan sa baba, hindi naka-open. Yan. Guys, sinara ko na yung curtain. Ganun din dito. Then, make it sure na naka-lock yung door. Yan. Ako talaga yan, guys. Nag-check kasi yung asawa ko. Ayan, okay na yan. Diyan. Minsan hindi niya check lahat. So, ako yung taga-check. Turn off. Yan, off ko yung light. Yan talaga, guys. Yan, double check ko. Alright, dito sa restroom. Kailangan ko dalhin. So, eto guys, nabili ko to kahapon sa Dollar Tree. Iwan ko to. Then, yung eto nabili ko din, iwan ko to dito para hindi na ako bibili ng facial wash. So, everything is good. Ayan, i-off natin yung light. Check ko din yung dito sa room namin. Dito lang yan, dito lang yan. Yung medyas, dito lang din to. Everything is good, guys. Ayan. Yung relo ko, sinuot ko na din. Very important talaga to. Jess, did you check your stuff here?
Yeah.
Did you bring everything?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Come on. Up! Look at the iPad.
Yeah.
While I'm still working, I want to use this for work stuff.
Of course.
Keep the counters clean.
Okay.
All right. I'll keep my tools. up
You did a
there.
good job.
Oh, so did Jazz.
Yeah, and Jazz too.
He was up in the corners I couldn't get to.
Jess, can you please put here, all the,
Oh, let's take a picture of this for Emily.
yeah, baby, we need to put the fresh milk in the freezer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan guys. Jess, can you help me, Ka? Can you help me? Oh my god. Yeah, just the one. Aha! You like sunbathing. Where are you? Where are you, boy? Ooh, good job. Come here. Wow. Oh no, at 3?
Yeah, I told you that.
I thought
That's why I said leave at noon.
you said nighttime. I thought it's nighttime.
That's the Cub Scout.
Just can
Cub
you
Scout.
put it there, please? Thank you. Oh, I thought we have to be there at 7 o'clock.
No, 3.
Okay.
That's why I said leave at noon. What time's it now?
What time is it? This way.
Oh, right.
12:50. We have time.
Yeah.
What time do we go at Cub Scouts?
3 o'clock. Say 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Say 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
There you go.
3
3 o'clock. Say 3 o'clock.
o'clock.
Cub Scouts, 3 o'clock.
Cub Scouts.
Fernbank Science Center, 3 o'clock. Fernbank Science Center, 3 o'clock.
Bank Science Center.
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Fernbank Science Center, 3 o'clock.